To answer or end phone calls with your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, all you have to do is simply double tap on the left or right earbud to answer that call. As you can see, I'm currently receiving a call. So to answer that call, simply double tap, and that call is going to be answered just like that. And to end that call, all you have to do is double tap once again. So double tap, and that call is going to be ended. Now, if that option is not available for you or it doesn't seem to work, simply launch the Hey Melody app and then go into your earbuds and then find earbud controls, and then scroll all the way down and find when on a call, this double tap left earbud or right earbud option, and make sure it's set to answer or end call. That's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments and questions down below and we'll get back to you. Take care and God bless.